Let me tell you about a production failure that did not look like a failure. Nothing crashed, no alerts were fired, no service went down, and yet the system slowly collapsed. Not loudly, not instantly, but silently and dangerously. This is how real outages start. Before we go deeper, if you are new here, like this video and subscribe. I am running a 30-day real DevOps incident challenge. If you complete this challenge, I am going to send you the free DevOps simulation ebook. You need to comment on each and every video for all the 30 days. Alright, let's continue. Understand this clearly. This episode is not about tools, not about Kubernetes, not about any cloud providers. This is about how distributed systems fail in real companies. And if you don't understand this pattern, you will struggle badly in DevOps or SRE roles. Picture a normal production environment. We have multiple services, multiple dependencies, everything deployed days or weeks ago. No emergency releases, no hot fixes, no visible changes. Traffic is normal. Infrastructure looks healthy. And yet, users start reporting. Requests are slower. Some actions randomly fail. Pages load inconsistently. Results don't feel reliable. Nothing is completely broken. Nothing is completely working. This is the most unstable state a system can be in. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Something did change, but it didn't look it didn't look dangerous. It could have been a retry configuration, a timeout value, a feature flag toggle, a cache behavior, a connection pool limit, background job frequency, a change that made sense, a change approved quickly, a change forgotten immediately. No rollback, no alarms, no urgency. And that's exactly why it's deadly. How cascading failures really happen? Cascading failures do not start with crashes, they start with slight delays, slight retries, slight back pressure, slight queue growth. Service A waits a little longer. Service B retries a little more. Service C gets more load. Individually, everything looks acceptable. Collectively, the system is eating itself alive. No single service is down, but the system as a whole is unusable. What is the business impact here? Now, business starts noticing something strange. Not alarms, not outages, but patterns. Some users succeed, others fail. Orders complete inconsistently. Requests time out randomly. Revenue numbers stop making sense. Money doesn't disappear instantly. It leaks minute by minute, request by request. This is how companies lose money without knowing where it went. Why monitoring doesn't save you here? Because dashboards are green. Why? Because dashboards measure CPU, memory, error rates, availability. They do not measure assumptions, breaking, retry amplification, dependency, stress, user frustration. A system can be up, responsive, error free, and still be wrong, slow, bleeding revenue. This is day 5 of the challenge. You are on call, no alerts, no crashes, business impact increasing quietly. What is the first thing you would investigate and why? I'm not expecting the fix here, command, or the tool. It's just your thinking process. There is no single correct answer here. Please try to comment whatever comes to your mind. There is no single correct answer here. Please comment whatever comes to your mind. This is where real engineers separate themselves. Some engineers look for red errors. Some engineers look for what changed, what assumption broke, which dependency is under silent stress. Comment your thought process. That's how you keep your challenge streak alive. This is how real production failures work. No playbook, no checklist, No paid course will ever teach this. Only experience, reasoning, pressure. Tomorrow gets harder. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment your thought process. See you tomorrow.